Yes, Deepika certainly got specs appeal. First up on the show tonight, from being just a cover girl, Deepika Padukone, through a number of rather smart moves, both professionally and personally, has morphed into being a poster girl for every independent, career-minded woman who's also looking for love. So what's her secret? Well, listen very carefully. She will see this only once. We've always known that Deepika Padukone is a class apart, but today she is a glass apart. Quite literally. Glasses apart.
Nice. Who taught you that?
I learned it all by myself. I'm also a class apart in a glass apart. Looking stunning though.
Glass apart very soon
actually. Deepika's going to give me a makeover.
These are my favorite ones for the day.
Okay. Does this add to my IQ?
It just makes you look. You're not, it just makes you look.
You know, your future is so bright right now. That's possibly a good thing that you're endorsing eyewear at the moment, because otherwise there'll just be too much of a glare of a bright future in your eyes, right?
Listen, I've worked really hard.
Absolutely.
So while I'm enjoying every bit of it, it doesn't feel like an oh my god moment, because I know I've worked hard, especially the last 1.5 years we were discussing last time also has been really tough.
Yeah.
And more than physically, mentally and emotionally. And I'm glad that it's paying off. You know, if the result is a cocktail, or the result is a Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, or even a Chennai Express for that matter, then I'm not complaining.
Being a cover girl, you are now a poster girl literally for all the women out there who are, you know, urban, who are independent, who want their own careers and who want to balance, you know, love and family along with that.
Wow. It's not, I mean, it's not something that I've planned or thought, or it's just happening. And I've been like that, you know, whether it's the maternal side to me that Ranbir and Aditya and Kalki make fun of when they were at their press conference without me. I am like that by nature, you know. I do have a mothering sort of instinct. I do feel the need to take care of people. I do feel the need to make sure everything is okay and everyone is okay. And I am also very OCD. You know, for me it's always about everything has to be correct and everything has to be perfect. And professionally, personally, it's all sort of you know, falling into place. I'm glad that, like you said, people are looking up to me.
You've got great chemistry with on-screen Ranbir. Of course, we've all loved you two together. We hear that apparently you could be with him again in Imtiaz is next.
I hope so. I hope so.
So means a yes?
No, I really don't know. I've been reading in the papers as well. Of course, Imtiaz and Ranbir are both very special people for me in my life. And you know, I've done Love Aajkal, which was a very special film for me with Imtiaz, and he sort of was the one who convinced me to do Info Cocktail also, is the one who saw Veronica in me. And Ranbir, of course. So I would love to be a part of that film, but I haven't heard from them. I don't know what is happening, but like I said, I would like to be a part of that film.
I'm sure if you just pick up the phone and call them, impossible is nothing after all for Deepika Padukone.
I can't do that. I would rather they believe that I'm fit for the part and pick up the phone and tell me themselves.
Well, I'm sure after this interview that's going to happen. And you promised at the end of the interview, I have to say Chennai Express is just, I'm just loving you in it. You're looking like a goddess combined with my best friend from school in Bangalore, which is kind of a weird combination for me. You're looking absolutely great and so funny. And I'm loving the fact that Deepika Padukone is exploring her funny side.
Can you please clarify and tell people that I have not dubbed this?
You know, I have to tell you this. Actually, just last night I was watching this.
Sad because people.
Everyone thinks you've dubbed it, by the way.
Come on, yaar. Don't.
No, because no, but you can always prove them right here, right now, of course. So you want to do that?
You have to ask me the question.
Okay.
You have to say Shah Rukh's dialogue.
I can't say Shah Rukh's dialogue.
You have to say.
No, I will just dub it over there.
Oh God, कहाँ से खरीदी ऐसी बकवास dictionary?